everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to share some beginner-friendly Punjabi phrases that you can start using today in your Punjabi conversations. Good luck. Khush kismati. Khush kismati. Khush kismati. What do you do? Tusi ki karde ho. Tusi ki karde ho? Check it out. Aade. Aade. If you want to show someone something close to you, you can say aade. Or if you want to show something that's a little bit further away to someone, then you can say ode. Aade. Ode. Can you please repeat that? There's 3 ways to say this informally. First one is dobara kaho. Dobara kaho. Dobara is again. Kaho is say. So say it again. Dobara kaho. Next, you can say ki keha. That's a question. So you're saying, what did you say? Ki keha. And the final one is fer kaho. Fer is again or repeat. Kaho is to say. So fer kaho. Say it again. Repeat it again. Fer kaho. Fer kaho. Dobara kaho. Ki keha. Have a good trip. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ trip ਚੰਗਾ ਬੀਤੇ. Or ਤੁਹਾਡਾ trip ਚੰਗਾ ਰਹੇ. How was your trip? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ trip ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸੀ? Or ਤੁਹਾਡਾ trip ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰਿਹਾ? That sounds good. ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਆ. ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਆ. ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਆ. Not necessarily. ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ. I should get going. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. ਚਾਹੀਦਾ can be shortened to ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. I'm heading home. If you're using feminine terms, it's ਮੈਂ ਘਰ ਚੱਲੀ. If you're using masculine terms, you can say ਮੈਂ ਘਰ ਚੱਲਾਂ. So, ਮੈਂ ਘਰ ਚੱਲੀ. ਮੈਂ ਘਰ ਚੱਲਾਂ. I didn't understand. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੀ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੀ. It's no trouble. ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਹੀਂ. ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਹੀਂ. Anytime. ਕਦੇ ਵੀ. ਕਦੇ ਵੀ.